Here we are at Arches, Newfoundland, and you can see right through the rocks to the sea. It's very beautiful rocks, amazing. And that is Yog walking. And there's one little lone one by itself. But as you can see, that's the Arches. Pretty cool. Rocky Harbor, Newfoundland. Listen to the waves. Holy shit, they're fantastic. Jordan and Marty. Francis picking rocks. And Mom and Colleen. And the red chairs.
So there's quite a bit of ice in the water here around us. These are what we call Fergie bits here in Newfoundland. That's the Newfoundland version of a tin-bit, right? That's what we call a Fergie bit.
That's quite a bit.
There's quite a bit of it in the water, yeah. Like I said, this iceberg is losing ice every hour.
That one's
So
dripping like
we
a
want
bucket
to,
there.
we're going to give this iceberg, what? We got to give this iceberg the right bird. I was going to go ice fishing now, Newfoundland style.
I'm not touching that. Somebody else might want to comment on that. I don't see nowhere good to go with that statement, Paul. Leave that right where it is. Well, Wade, where the inspiration is the ex-mother-in-law, but he might have too much choke on her. Release the choke and try her again. Try her again. See what happens. Give her a good pluck. Just a good haul. Oh, she caught right away. She was missing. That's all right. She could. Okay, now, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to play her now. Our Wade's going to play her. And I know what everybody's waiting for, because traditionally what happens at Newfoundland kitchen party, she's used for the jigs and the reels. Huh? And, you know, somebody always goes out and plays the good old jigs, the good old reels. And Wade is really concerned that young people, I know it's going to be hard to believe, but young people are not playing this. You go to see a Newfoundland, most Newfoundland bands, very seldom do you see an ugly stick player in the band. And no kids are taking it up. And Wade tried to add it to the curriculum at school. And the school board is not going for that. Then he wrote in Royal University and just wanted to see if they could add that to the music program, like Ugly Stick 101, maybe Ugly Stick 102, and get the kids involved. But it's not happening. And Wade is so concerned about it. So Mike had a suggestion. He said, well, you know, kids are not really into the jigs and reels. So maybe if you played other genres of music on the Ugly Stick, kids would be intrigued. So Mike said, why not rock and roll? Everybody likes rock and good old rock tune. And Mike, being a drummer, suggested one. And this is, every drummer knew this. They know it now, they knew it in the 50s, they knew it in the 60s, they knew it in the 70s, all the way up through until today. And it was recorded by a band called the Safaris first. And then my favorite instrumental band of all time, the Ventures, recorded this song. Every drummer knew it. Anybody know what I'm talking about? Wipeout. You got her, ladies and gentlemen. Here comes Wipeout on the Ugly Stick with one beater. This is Cirque du Soleil stuff here, ladies and gentlemen. This is going to be mind-boggling for a lot of people. Paul, you pick it on the bass.
How fast would you like it, Wayne?
Paul, my good friend and second cousin, he is. Might I suggest that you choose a tempo so brisk that by the end of this song, both Mr. Jones and the Ugly Stick burst into flames.
This could be good, ladies and gentlemen. Paul, give her as fast as you can go, buddy.
everybody do it. They're doing a groovy song. Hey! It's only comes to rain. It's hanging in the rain. They're out around the band. Go around to the night. Around the down. They gonna feel the music come. Dance at your feet, right out your boots. They're doing a groovy song. Hey! Stop, 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 stop until you stop. Everybody do it. They're doing a groovy song. Okay, sing it.